everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto coin. From this coin you can earn a very big profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So as you can see, the website was open and the link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. So friend, it's a meme project and it's grow very fastly and give you a very big reward in future. So must participate in this project and buy this happy balloon dog and get a big profit in future. I will share with you the current price and the method how you can earn this and how you can earn reward from this meme coin, and you can get a very big profit. So must watch this video and get profitable. So we can scroll down. As you can see, first of all, project process was sharing on screen. As you can see, first forget rise development about TGE airdrop distribution and many more things you can see in this project. And white paper was coming soon and you can get these token totally free. Simply click on this option and you can go to the Telegram community Thundercoin, and simply you can join and invite your friend and get rewards and also earn this coin totally free. And you can get a very big reward. So must participate in it, and it's a very good method for you to earn this coin totally free. So be the member of this project and must join this Telegram bot and earn these coin totally free, and it's a very good opportunity for you. Hopefully you will understand how you can get these free tokens. And then have you option of referral program. It helps to grow you more. As you can see, get 5x more from premium referral with also receive rewards. Level 1 unlock 5 level of referral progress. So it's a very good method for you to earn these coin totally free. Simply share your invitation link to your friends and invite your friend and get these coin totally free, and you can earn reward from level 5. It's a very good opportunity for you. So must avail this and also buy this coin and get totally profit. So hopefully you will know how you can receive these coin totally free and how you can get referrals. Then you can see it's giving you low fee security and control over money, high transmission spread and many more things. You can see a high transaction speed. As you can see, Happy Balloon Dog is a crypto game that will distribute a significant proton of token in the community when listed, with emphasize that we value you and your time. As you can see, it's a very good project and it helps to grow you in this crypto community. So we can scroll down. You can see the token distribution and token name, symbol, each and everything on this platform. As you can see, the token distribution was showing on screen. 80% community, 20% investor. As you can see, funding illusion was also showing on screen. Token symbol was HBD, type was TOU, and you can see sorry Tron, and you can see many more things. So it's a very important part of this project. As you can see, roadmap. It's tell you about how much thing was developed in this project and how much thing you can see in this project. As you can see, many more updates and latest thing was showing on screen. As you can see, must read it and you can see these thing in this project as soon as possible. So must read it and get many more information about this project. Now you can see FAQ option, and if you have any questions, so must click on it and you will get your answer. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project and how it's work, and gameplay was coming soon. You can simply play and also earn money from this method. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel. Now I will tell you about how you can buy. Simply you can go to the Mixec exchange. As you can see, the current price was showing on screen. It grows very fastly. The current price was 0.01, and you can see this coin on $5 as soon as possible, and you can get a very big reward. So it's a very good opportunity for you to be participate in this project. Now you can see the current price was $6 and it's go very fastly and you can earn a very big reward. So must participate in it. Buying selling option was available. Simply you can come on Mexec and you can see HBD USDT, and the link was also available in description. You can simply click and come and buy this coin and get more profit. So hopefully you will know how you can buy and hold this coin and get more profit. So now I will tell you about the social media account of this project. As you can see, Twitter account was open, must follow it for latest updates and news. As you can see, new updates, airdrop and giveaways was showing on these social media accounts, so must participate in it and follow these social media account and get more profitable. Now you can see the Telegram community of this project, so also join the community to get more information and latest updates and news about this project. So hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and must participate in this project, and you can get a big reward in future. So hope we will be meet in next video.